Okay, so what does example 3 say? Page 226. Where does the 10 come from?
Let X represent the number of years since 2000.
There you go. So our starting point is what? What's our starting point?
2000.
2000, right? What would that be? That would be 0. Good. 2010 is how many years since then? So that's where the 10 comes from, right? Okay, so 12 times 10 plus 306. What is 306 in example 3? Oh, look at example 3 right above. What's 306 come from? What's the 306? Read the very top. Example 3. Because you're right in the middle of example 3. You guys see it? Right there. Replace 12 with N and B with what? 306. So what is B? It's our starting pair, right? That'd be our starting pair. And then go ahead and make sure that you see this blue part right here too. Write that next to each one of these steps in your example, in your illustration. Okay? Original equation, and we're going to replace X with 10. If you need to, circle the 10 and then draw a line and state where that 10 comes from. Okay? And then estimate of the average airfares is $426. Everybody grab today's bell ringer? Get that out. Work on it a little bit. Look at your examples. Do you have your textbook? Where's it at? Go get it, Madison. You're supposed to bring it every day. Now, on your today's bell ringer, did you grab today's bell ringer? Where's it at? You need to, Angela, open your textbook, please. I mean, why is that so difficult? I don't understand that. Why are we not following the instructions? Look at your examples and use those examples to help you answer the bell ringer. Okay? If you can't get it answered within the next 10 or 15 minutes, then wait until after today's notes, and that might help you a little bit. Is everybody clear on that? I want you to look at the examples and maybe try to figure some things out for yourself before we get started. Okay? I want you to see how the examples can help you identify some stuff.
I don't know anything about what that one was.
What does the C intercept represent?
Well, I looked in the book for because.
Well, I mean, you put it right there. What's 145? Where does that come from?
Isn't that the intercept?
No. Intercept is that right there.
Oh, the startup fee.
Yeah, it's the startup. So for C, it's the startup fee. Which one is that one?
C on.
No, it's just 4.2 or 4.1. 4.1.
And did I do that one right?
Yeah, kind of, sort of.
Oh.
Well, this number right here should be what? That should be T, or the time, which goes
That should be 8. All right. Now, the rate is going to be in front of it for 2 bicycles. It's going to be what?
$16 per hour. 2 bicycles.
Well, for one, it's going to be what? $8, right? What if I have 2 bicycles? Then it's going to be what?
16.
16. So that should be 16 in front of that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm doing this one.
Yeah, go get that down and put it with this one. You guys need to make sure you turn in your 401 prayer check and your 401 bell ringer too. You guys that were gone yesterday. Got a lot to get done. Okay. Get your notes out, your spiral notebooks. These are your notes for today. This is the heading for your notes, anyways. Wow. It's taking forever. Okay, heading for today's notes, 4-2, writing equations in slope-intercept form. Today's date's 2/5/2014. Now, you guys that were gone yesterday, make sure I get your pair checks and your bell ringers. Okay? Let's take notes. You guys take notes. Put all those assignments that you're working on, let's take notes so you understand what's going on. And you can always come back to that later, okay? Shouldn't take us very long to do it today. Okay, does anybody need more time with that? Okay, first slide. Okay, example 1, write an equation given slope and a point. Up to this point on, well actually on 4-1, you were given a graph, right? And you guys could write an equation from the graph. You just had to look for things to plug into your equation, right? Here's a scenario where, or two scenarios we're going to go over today where you're not going to be given a graph, they're going to give you the information, and then you're going to have to plug it in or make it an equation, all right? So we want to write an equation of a line that passes through 2 and -3 with a slope of 1/2. Real simple. You can use the slope-intercept form to start with, and then plug all this information in. Okay? Now we've always said that when I have an ordered pair, the first number is what? It's x. What's the second number? It's y, right? And now, as the equation stands right now, can I solve this or simplify it? Just looking at it right here. Okay, so when I plug my information in, when I put a -3 in for that, what do I put in for n? 1/2. What would I put for x? Be 2, wouldn't it? Okay, now looking at that equation now, can I solve that? Because how many variables do I have? Just one unknown, right? So all I got to do is simplify this. Taking 3 equals, what's half of 2? 1, good. How do I get b by itself? Subtract 1 from both sides, that gives me what? -4 equals b. Okay, now, is this your answer? Think about it. Read the instructions again. What does it say?
Write an equation.
Have we written an equation? We have we? Okay, so is this my final answer right here? Okay, a lot of people forget to do this. What you have to do now is you have to take all the information that you have and plug it back into y equals mx plus b. Leave y blank. What would I put for the slope? 1/2. Good. Leave x blank. Now, what would I put for the b? -4. This is my answer. Right here. Now, have I written an equation? Okay, is it going to satisfy this ordered pair with the slope that's given?
Isn't B supposed to be the y-intercept? So what if the -3 goes to B?
No, that's just the coordinate. That's what we're looking. That's just the x coordinate, and that's just the y coordinate. Okay? What we're trying to find is the v, the y-intercept. Okay? All right, any more questions on that? Is everybody good? Yeah, amen? Okay. Answer this one. You'll have to get logged in if you haven't done so. Class has been started too, so.
It's not letting me enter. Not enter.
Why is there 15 people?
I'm signed in, but it won't.
Yeah, hold on. There's an error. Is everybody logged in? Go ahead and get yourself logged in if you haven't done so. Class has been started. Really?
Yeah.
Let's start it over then and see what happens. Restart.
You want us to put it back on?
Now hold on just a sec. It's still not. See that green dot? Nothing wants to work today. Start from scratch. Well, let's try to do it at the end, see what happens. Go ahead and just put it on your card. I'll hand your cards out here in just a sec.
Sorry, Mike.
Who needs one?
Man, everything doesn't want to work today. Okay, we'll do it the old-fashioned way.
You just got it, let me know if it's on the
Technology. It's fun when it works. Okay, is everybody done with this one?
Yeah.
Unfinished.
Okay, see if you can get logged in now. Okay, let's see if we can get it to load up properly. Okay. Put your answers in your clickers. Hopefully it'll work out.
Everybody tell me why it's not beating. First four go. Goes for the Y. What's the N? What's X? We're trying to find these, right? That's what we don't have. That's the only information we don't have. So now to get B by itself, plus 3. B equals 7, right?
Yeah, got the negative.
Okay? And it's a common mistake. Everybody makes it. Just got to make sure that we keep on doing it. Okay? Write this one down. Now, there's going to be times in the previous problem, what information did we have?
We had the slope. Okay.
We had the slope and we had at least 1 point. What do we have on this one? We just got 2 points. So what are we gonna have to find out? We have to find the slope, and then from that we gotta find the y-intercept, and then plug all my information in, right? Okay, so real easy, you guys know how to do this, right? Now, the main thing about figuring slope when you just have 2 points, you have to keep your what?
Keep your minuses and negatives separate.
Yeah, keep your minus separate from your negatives, right? So I'm gonna make that x of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2. So -8 minus what?
-4.
Good. Over -2 minus -3, good. And now I gotta say change, right? What's that give me? -8 plus 4, -2 plus 3, is that giving me
4.
-4 over 1. Or I could just say what? -4. That's with me so far? Alright, now, at this point, what am I going to plug in for my x and y coordinates?
One of them.
One of the points.
That matters.
Does it matter which point? It doesn't matter which point I use, I'm still going to come out with the same what? Equation, right? The reason being is because both these points, theoretically, are supposed to lie where? On the same line, right? So I'm writing an equation for this line. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. Which one do you want to use as this point? You use the first one? Good. I like that. Okay, so for y, I'm going to put -4 for the m. -4, that's where this is, right? Okay, where's my x? My x is -3, good. -4 equals positive 12 plus b. How do we get b by itself?
Subtract 12.
B equals what?
-16.
Good. Okay, am I finished? Is this my answer? So y equals what? My slope is
-4.
good. Here's my answer.
On down like that, how do you get another -4 on both sides? -4 on both sides.
-4 came right there. That's what I put in for y.
And what about the end?
The m is what we got
Oh, on the top.
on the top part. That was the slope. Alright? Good question. Alright, let's see if we can work on it. Okay, where are your points at? What format? Are they in the parentheses order pair format? No, they're in the table format, right? Now, I'll show you something real quick. Is there a fast way to figure slope right here? Based on what we've learned? Think about it. How, Jess? Remember when we were trying to figure out whether it was linear or not? What has to occur for it to be linear? It has to be constant, right? This is why we needed the third pair to see if it was staying the same, right? Well, can I just use that same principle to figure the slope? Because these are my y's, aren't they? What's the difference between those two? What's the difference between these two? It's 3, isn't it? You guys with me so far? Okay, so what's my slope here? 3 over 3 or 1. You guys with me so far? No. Well, I just figured the slope, I just found the difference in the y's. All I did was this. What's your Y2? It's 6, isn't it? Minus, what's your Y1? Over, what's your X of 2? 2. Minus what? What is that? Isn't it? You guys with me so far? Okay, now, based on my slope, can I eliminate some answer choices? Which one's gonna eliminate? I'll let you guys work it from there. I'm giving you quite a bit. So you can finish it.
Yeah, Haley.
For some reason, when I look for you, I keep getting equals 3. Not
Let me look. You know why? Because you're using 2 Y's there. One of them should be an X.
yeah, I'll do it like this.
So that should be 2.
Yeah.
So you're going to use that point.
I was like, why did I keep getting 3? This is not working. Now it should work.
Make sure you put your answer choices in your clicker too. Okay, don't forget to do that. Nice job. Very good. Work on it.
Just let me know when it's done. You're still going. Awesome. You almost got it? Okay. All right.
Now, you guys understand the whole concept behind the prayer check, right? What's prayer check stand for?
Make sure that we're doing it right.
No. Well, yeah, that, but what's prayer stand for? Together, right? So if you want to partner up with somebody and work these front ones and check each other's work, then you can do that. That's what it's designed to do. All right? Now, I will tell you this too. You guys listen to me when I say this. In grading your 4-1 pair checks, you can always tell who's going to have the better grades. Okay? Because people get their front, what are you supposed to do with those front problems? You're supposed to have those checked before what? Before you leave class, right? And I need to check those before you leave class. Hopefully we'll have some time today. All right? Those people that usually or tend to not get their front part checked by me before you leave class tend to do worse on the back. And that's what drops your grade. Does everybody understand that? Okay, so get your front check first, all right? Before you leave. Everybody clear on that? Good, let's get to work. Got a lot to do. Go, boy. Oh, we're done? Yeah, you can pass your note cards up. Don't forget, you guys that missed yesterday, you need to come take care of your daily quiz that you missed, right? Your 4-1. Okay, don't forget that. You need to take care of that in the next few days. Yeah, didn't you not get one? I'm sorry. There.
Hey, Brent, when sells the next basketball game? Thursday. Oh, yeah. We're out there.
Yeah.
Where am
Hey, I don't know what's going on. I could have swore I did that. For a row for the last 2 days. I got an email from Goggins that I haven't done it. Well, it said third hour for 2 days. I don't know how that happened. Well, I got him right here if you want him. I got Monday and Tuesday. Yeah. Okay, for Monday, 2-3. Christine Ashley was gone. Summer Benight. Bryce Sheetal. I think he was suspended. And Taylor Tomlinson. And then on 2-4, Tuesday, Summer Benight, ISR. Bryce Sheetal suspended. Heath Flannery absent. Christiana Frazier absent. Zachary Leinbach absent. Alexa Sabine absent. And Taylor Thompson absent. Why is it me? Why is the jacket on me? Okay, what about it says fifth hour too? And I could have swore I'd done that too because it was. I think it's just 1 day on fifth hour. Janae Albertson, Cassidy I think was gone, and Jacob Thurman was gone. If that's the right day. And then the fifth hour, Chris Adams, he was here. I think 6 hour was the last one. Summer. I think she was an ISR. I don't know what her deal is. Right, Cheadle? Chris Fraser? She's up at the house of you today. The Tomlinson kid, I think he withdrew too. And I believe that was it. I'm sorry about that. I thought I could have swore I did it, but I'm usually pretty good about doing that. Okay. Wow. Okay, hey, I need you guys to find your seat. Find your seat. Yeah. Where you sit. She's been here a couple days. Brittany, how long have you been here? Thank you.
I saw it one time.
Thank you. Sit down before I count you target.
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I thought you were like class. You have to be students. You're here. You did that? You did not.
I did too.
I don't think she was here.
Somebody asked. I said, yeah, we have a new student. Then they asked what her name was. Right?
She probably wasn't.
I'm here. Well,
Well, she's not here even when she is here, so.
down by one. What? I was like,
Isn't that right, Johnny?
You weren't here. I wasn't here.
Well, yeah, even when you're here, though, you're not really here sometimes.
You like it? You're welcome to now. Why did you move?
Yeah, it's kind of personal.
Yes, it is.
Kind of personal.
Sorry for being personal. Your information is safe. Journey. Alright, so you can look again.
What, everybody gets sick all of a sudden?
They're bringing her braces off to get them back on. Right? I think he just at home because he was on Instagram last night.
Okay, let me ask you, you guys hang tight real quick. Christina was here yesterday, right?
Yes.
The blonde sits right back here.
Is she like?
Jacob, you were here yesterday.
Yeah.
Summer,
No.
she was gone.
Alexa wasn't here. She stayed. She stayed home because she began bark though. They barked. I told her she can.
Trevor,
He probably has another injury.
was he here yesterday though?
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Trevor?
Trevor.
I think he was.
Trevor was here. Yep.
Mariah, you were here, right?
Yeah.
Heath was gone.
Yep. Are you in attendance?
Well, I'm just checking,
Oh.
making sure, because there was a problem with the power school. Was Chris here yet? She wasn't here yesterday.
She wasn't here. No, she wasn't. She usually share her ruffles, and I didn't get it yesterday. Yeah, I didn't get hot today.
Zach, you were gone.
I thought he was here yesterday.
Zach was gone.
Yeah, that's it.
Why you not? When? Where's her favorite thing?
Okay.
I like these days.
Dang, where's Jeremiah?
Fix more.
No. Oh, wait.
Worksheet, it's in that binder right there. Who else was not here yesterday? Okay, you guys get your worksheets out from yesterday. Work on those. D, you guys, you two, get your prayer texts out. Get your prayer tech out from first period. Work on that. Okay. You other guys need to get your worksheets out and work on those. You weren't here yesterday? Well, that's what I was asking you. Come here, Brittany.
Okay. Mr. Morris. Wait, didn't you say?
For some reason, okay, tell me your last name. Murphy? Griffin. Spell it for me. Brittany? And okay, so you were going. Okay. Grab your worksheet out of the binder right here. Zach, you need to grab your worksheet out of the binder. Right there, Brittany. Yeah.
Is that the one we missed yesterday?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, 45 problems on it.
I haven't had a class yet. Everybody's missing.
Brittany, you were here Monday, right?
Hey.
Are you doing corrections?
Hey, I got another thing for you too. I got a new student that checked in last week, and she's not showing up on my prior teacher. Brittany Griffin. I think, what day was that? Did she start, Brittany? Friday last week. She started Friday last week. Right. She was gone Tuesday.
Wait, for what? Oh. Yeah, every one of them. Girl. Oh, my nose.
Well, why would the other 2 hours pop up? I don't get that. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Where are they doing them? Yeah. Why do they need to get checked out to go do that? That's crazy. I would never let my kid do that. His butt is being in school. Okay. Who all signing today?
You know, that, you're gonna make
I
that
think
net,
we
but
listed
down
in
here.
Chief Crew, everybody.
Who's Chance signing with?
It's better, it's quicker. It's the same thing. But mine is way
So yeah, Chief's pretty cool guy. He's pretty black.
Okay.
Very cute.
Alrighty. Bye.
Waffle? They call it waffle? One person.